Hello, good day. This is Teacher Mary. Today we are going to study lowest common multiple or LCM. This is lesson 6 and it is in page 20 of your book. What is multiple? We get a multiple of a number when we multiply it by another number. Example, get the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, and 16. What is common multiple? Common multiples are multiples that are found in both numbers. Example, get the common multiples of 4 and 6. The multiples of 4 are 8, 4, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. The common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12 because we can find the number 12 in both list of multiples of 4 and 6. And also number 24 is one of the common multiples of 4 and 6. And if we continue getting the multiples of 4 and 6, we can find more common multiples of 4 and 6. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, and so on. Least common multiple. This is the LCM. The least common multiple is the smallest among the common multiples. Remember that the word least means smallest. Example, get the LCM of 4 and 6. In the previous slide, we already discussed about the common multiples of 4 and 6. And we found out that they are 12, 24, and so on. So among these common multiples of 4 and 6, the smallest is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now, how to solve LCM using continuous division? Example, let's find the LCM of 8 and 12 using continuous division. Write the numbers 8 and 12 and divide them by a common number, and that is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So write 4 and 6 below the numbers 8 and 12. And then draw another lines and think of a number that can divide the 4 and 6 together. And that is number 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So think of a number that can divide the 2 and 3 at the same time. So if you cannot think of any number that can divide both 2 and 3, stop dividing from here. And then, we can now find the LCM by simply multiplying the numbers that we used to divide both 8 and 12. So they are 2 times 2 and this quotients here times 2 times 3, multiply them together, the answer is 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Let's find the LCM of 20 and 16 using the continuous division. Write the numbers and divide them by the number 2. The answers are 10 and 8. Think of a number that can divide both 10 and 8. So that is 2. The answers are 5 and 4. So we cannot divide anymore the numbers 5 and 4. So stop there and then multiply all the numbers outside. They are 2 times 2 times 5 times 4. The answer is 80. So the LCM of 20 and 16 is 80. For more examples, let's find the LCM of the following pairs of numbers using continuous division. So number 1, let's find the LCM of 12 and 16. Write 12 and 16, divide them by the same number, and that is 2. So the answers are 6 and 8. Let's divide more by 2. The answers are 3 and 4. So we cannot divide anymore the 3 and 4. So the LCM of 12 and 6 are multiply all the numbers outside. So they are 2 times 2 times 3 times 4. The answer is 48. So next example, what is the LCM of 6, 9, and 18 using continuous division? Write the numbers 6, 9, and 18. Divide them by a number 3. So the answers are 2, 3, and 6. Because 18 divided by 3 is 6. So think of the number that can divide the 2, 3, and 6. Can still divide both numbers 2 and 6 or 3 and 6. Divide them by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 3 divided by 2 cannot be just write 3. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we can still divide the numbers 3 by 3. So the answers are 1 divided by 3 cannot be, so just write 1. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So they are all 1. Let's stop there and multiply all the numbers outside this. LCM is 3 times 2 times 3. No need to multiply by 1 because you will get the same answer. 3 times 2 times 3 is 18. So the LCM of 6, 9, and 18 is 18. Next example, find the LCM of 7, 9, 21, and 63 using continuous division. It is easier to use continuous division if you are asked to get the LCM of more numbers, of many numbers. So again, list the numbers 7, 9, 21, and 63. And then think of a number that can divide these numbers. It is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 9 divided by 7 cannot be, so just write 9. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 63 divided by 7 is 9. Okay, we can still divide the numbers 9, 3, and 3 by 3. The answers are 1 divided by 3 cannot be, so just write 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, from here, we can still divide the numbers 3, these two numbers. Divide them by 3. Okay, so the answers are 1 divided by 3 cannot be, so write again 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 divided by 3 is 1. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the answers are all 1. So let's just stop there and multiply all the numbers outside to get the LCM. So that's 7 times 3 times 3 equals 63. So the LCM of 7, 9, 21, and 63 is 63. So more examples, find the least common multiple of the given pair of numbers by continuous division. So this time, answer this by yourselves within 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, we are going to check your answer if you are correct. So 5 minutes starts now. Okay, time is up. Answers. Number 1, the LCM is 36. Number 2, the LCM is 99. Number 3, the LCM is 30. Number 4, it's 80. And number 5, it is 2,700. Okay, for your practice, answer page 23 of your book. Answer practice on page 23 of your book. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have questions, you can send message on my line. And I'll be collecting your book at school. So take care everyone and goodbye!